Hello friends, now we are going to solve problem number 4 of right circular cone. So here problem is find the equation of right circular cone whose vertex at 0 0 0. Vertex, that means value of E. You can see in the figure I have drawn a right circular cone again. Vertex is a 0 0 0. Semi vertical angle is given. It is what? Theta pi by 4, that means 45 degree. Axis of cone is along the line x is equal to minus 2y equal to z. This is the axis, semi vertical angle theta. So axis of the cone is x is equal to minus 2y equal to z. First of all, equation of axis we have already studied in symmetric form. Okay, so when we study right circular cones, equation of axis in symmetric form, it is x minus x1 upon a1 equal to y minus y1 upon b1 equal to z minus z1 upon c1, right? Here denominators are said to be DRS of axis, and remember here x, y, z. Now point out the coefficients of x, y, z here. X, y, z always have coefficient 1, right? But in this given equation of axis, you can see here coefficient of x is 1, it's okay. But what about coefficient of y? It is minus 2. It will be 1, okay. So we have to divide this minus 2 throughout the equation to get the coefficient of y to 1. So dividing by minus 2, so x upon minus 2, minus 2 upon minus 2 get cancelled, denominator is not present here, so it will be 1, and dividing by minus 2 to the point z, it is minus 2. Now check coefficients of x, y, z are 1, right? Okay, now these denominators are said to be DRS now, right? So what are the DRS of axis? They are minus 2, 1, minus 2. I will denote it by a1, b1, c1 again, same as the previous problems. Now to find the DRS of generator line, we have to take point P, x, y, z. This be any point on the generator line AB as shown in the figure, right? So DRS of generator AB are, you have to only subtract coordinates of P minus coordinates of P. So x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0. That means x, y, z. I have denoted these DRS by A2, B2, C2. And finally, we have to use the formula cos of theta. A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus C1, C2. Right? Sorry, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 upon square root of DRS of axis A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into the first root, and in second root DRS of generator line AP A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square, right? So we have to put values to simplify now. Now check here cos of theta. Theta is what? 45 degree, that means pi by 4 given in the problem. This is equal to A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2. So what is A1 into A2? This is minus 2 into X, right? B1 into B2, it is 1 into Y. C1 into C2, it is minus 2 into Z. Okay. Now square root. A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. That means minus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square into another root. A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square, that means x square plus 5 square plus z square. So what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This is equal to multiplying minus 2x, 1 into y is y, and minus 2z divided by 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, negative 2 square is positive 4, 4 plus 1 plus 4 it is 9, so it will be square root of 9. No change in the second root. Keep as it is, root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, again to avoiding the square roots, we have to square on both sides. Therefore, by squaring, so square of left hand side, 1 by root 2 square, it is 1 by 2. This is equal to denominator. In the denominator, whilst taking square root get cancels. That means this is 9 and this is x square plus y square plus z square. So I will write denominator as 9 into bracket x square plus y square plus z square, and square of numerator is bracket square. So what is numerator? Minus 2x plus y minus 2z. So it is minus 2x plus y minus 2z. Okay. Now multiply this denominator at left hand side. So 9 into bracket x square plus y square plus z square is equal to these two at the right hand side, minus 2x plus y minus 2z bracket square. You can keep as it is, or you can square on the right hand side and simplify. So this is the required equation of right circular cone. Got it? So first problem are completed now. First, second, third and four problems are get completed. So you can simplify this problem number 5 as a homework. It is again similar pattern. Find the equation of right circular cone whose vertex is, what is the vertex of cone? It is A, 1, 2, 3. Axis has direction ratios. Here equation of x is not given. You have directly DRS of the axis. That means A1, B1, C1. 2, minus 1, 4. And you need to only find the DRS of generator line to get A2, B2, C2. And use semi-vertical angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Use cos theta is equal to equation of right circular cone and simplify. Okay. Thank you.